We're going to show you 3 different things you can make using string and ribbons. First, we're making this really cool 3D egg. You will need some scrap string, a jar, any balloon, and a small container of PVA glue mixed with a few splashes of water. Blow up your balloon, but don't make it too large. Then put your string into the pot of glue. This is pretty messy, so make sure you're doing it on a protective surface. Once the string is covered in glue, you can start wrapping the string on the balloon, making a pattern like this. Now place the balloon onto the top of a jar so it dries completely without sticking to anything. Make sure you wash your hands. The string is now dry, and now comes the really fun part. Carefully use the safety scissors to pop the balloon and use your fingers to gently peel the balloon from inside the string egg. If you use a latex balloon, it's biodegradable, but make sure you cut it into small pieces before putting it into the bin. Then, very carefully, pull the popped balloon out of one of the cracks. Wow! Look what you've made out of some old string! There's lots of fun things you can make with some old ribbons. Use a bundle of ribbon to make a headband for yourself. Gather 3 ribbons together and tie them in a knot, like this. Place the end under a heavy object, like this sticky tape dispenser, and plait the ribbons together. Once you reach the end, secure the strands tightly in a knot. Do this 3 times until you end up with 3 pieces, and then plait these all together, using secure knots at each end. This is your finished headband, and you can use clips to attach it, or, as an extra step, attach a piece of elastic to either end, like this. Or how about this rainbow ribbon windsock? Take a strip of old cardboard and sticky tape the ends together like this to create a hoop. Now loop your ribbons around the cardboard hoop like this. Keep going until the cardboard is completely covered. Take some string and attach it to 3 different sections of the cardboard hoop and tie all the ends together, like this. Now you can hang it up outside. And because the ribbons aren't fixed in place, you can unloop them anytime and use them again for many more projects.